amazing journey which starts from Bangalore for me. And I would like to show you the glimpse when I was going to Goa. So first of all, I was in the bus and it started raining very early. I reached to the main bus stop in Goa, and the place was so nice. And this is the same place where in Drishyam movie Ajay Devgan also reaches with their family. So I would expect you guys to guess
पणजी
and tell
बस
me the
स्टॉप,
name of this particular
मेन
place.
बस स्टॉप जो कि पणजी,
A vibrant beach in
सारी
Goa,
बैंगलोर से
with
आने
the
वाली
sound
बसेस
of
यहीं पे
waves
आती हैं।
crashing against the shore. The sun is casting a golden hue over the palm trees and colorful beach shacks. So I just hired a scooty and I did this inspection of this particular scooty, because it's always necessary that you do a proper inspection when you are hiring a scooty, because sometimes what they do, they will charge you when you will return the vehicle. They will tell you that there was a scratch on the vehicle. They will tell you that this part you have broken, or any particular damage you have made in the scooty. So it's always necessary that you examine your scooty very properly and make a video, so that at the time of return you can show them that this scratch was already existing. So this is a very important hack, guys, when you are going to Goa, because all these people, most of them may be scammers, but you will never know about them. The cost of scooty renting is close to 600 for Fasino. In season they will ask you 1200 also for Fasino in the month of October, November and December. Similarly for Activa you can get in 4 to 500 normal days. After that, hiring that scooty, I reached to this particular beach, which is the Kalangut beach. I was not so sure that how the beach would be. So I would like to say, everyone, welcome back to this particular place, which I am showing you on my channel. Here is a stunning paradise of Goa, ready to explore all the incredible sights and experiences this coastal gem has to offer.
ये है
grab your
कलंगुटे बीच की
sunscreen and
एंट्रेंस।
let's dive right in.
यहाँ पे आपको साइड में बहुत सारे
Goa is
वाटर
famous
स्पोर्ट्स
for
वाले,
its
दारू की
beautiful
दुकान,
beaches, and it's
कपड़े,
easy to see
शॉपिंग,
why. Whether you are looking for a
etc.
party
बहुत चीज़ें दिख
scene or
जाएंगी।
a peaceful retreat,
यहाँ पे
there
काजू
are
वाजू आप
beaches
खरीद
for
सकते हैं।
everyone.
काफ़ी
From the
बड़ा मार्केट
lively
है।
shores of Baga and Kalambute, which I am showing you in this video, to the serene stretches of Palolem and Agonda, the options are endless. If you are thrill seeker like me, Goa has your cover. And its exciting water sports activity will thrill you till your soul. Whether you want to soar high above the ocean or you want to zip through the waves on a jet ski, there is no shortage of pumping fun here.
और यहाँ से
Away from the beach,
ये
Goa
वाइट
vibrant
बीच
markets
बार एंड
are a
रेस्टोरेंट है।
treasure.
तो ये लास्ट
For
रेस्टोरेंट है
everyone who
और यहाँ पे
loves
एक
to
रूफ
shop,
टॉप है, इसका
from
नाम है
colorful
रत्ना सागर
sarong
कलंगुटे
and
बीच पे ही।
handmade jewelry
और यहाँ
to
से आपकी फिर
spices
बीच
and
की एंट्रेंस हो
souvenir
जाएगी।
goodies
तो
which
मैं
you
एक
can
बार
gift
आपको वो भी
to
दिखा
your
देता
loved
हूँ
one.
कि
You
सबसे
will
ज़्यादा रश
find
वाला
it
बीच
all
है,
here.
लेकिन भीड़ बहुत
And
रहती है
don't
यहाँ
forget to
पे।
indulge in some
तो
authentic
आई वुड
Goan
से
cuisine
इसको अपनी टॉप लिस्ट
while
में
you are
डेफिनेटली
in
मत
the
रखना,
Goa.
बहुत ही किचकिच है।
Because you will find the food really tasty.
देख सकते हो आप लोग, ठीक है।
One of the highlight of visiting Goa experience its rich cultural heritage, from traditional musical dance performances to exploring historical forts and churches. There are so many history and
आपको बीच
culture
वाला
to
फील ही नहीं आएगा,
immerse
आपको लगेगा
yourself
आप पीठ
in
में आ
here.
रखे हो जो आपके छोटे शहरों में बढ़ती है।
And of
हज़ारों लोग
course,
हैं यहाँ पे।
no trip to Goa would
तो
be
थोड़ा
complete
ध्यान से।
without witnessing its breathtaking sunset. Now, this is a video which I have made in Arambol Beach. This is next level beach there. In north of Goa, this is my most favorite beach, and this is the beach where you will find endless Russians and people from Israel. That's why this place is also very amazing, and you can see so many people hanging out here and there, and you will love to check out all of them. And it's not only about checking out the people like girls, but you can check out everyone. This is the famous church in Panjim city, and this place is one of the best places you will ever see in Goa, because this place is having its own mesmerizing god or heavenly feel, because this place seems like kind of a very old heritage area, and all the food they are prepared by some Portuguese people. That's why they give you all the vibe of Portuguese people. If you see this area, you can feel. Let me show it to you. You will see so many Bollywood songs has been shot on this particular church, and this church is on the most busy street of Panjim area. And right next to this church, you will see fontanas where you can find n number of options of bakery and food. Then you can move on to the beach, which is named as Morjim Beach, and this beach also is very calm and composed. This will give you a vibe where you can enjoy a lot, and so many places. देखते हैं हो पाया कि नहीं हो पाया.
हाँ पाओगा बिल्कुल.
And of course, no trip to Goa would be complete without witnessing the amazing sunset. There is something truly magical about watching the sun dip below in the horizon, casting warm glow over the sea, and a moment that reminds us to pause and appreciate the beauty around us and soak into joy of life. Well, that's wrap up of our adventure in Goa, and you can do kayaking also in this beach. Hope you enjoyed exploring this vibrant destination with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my more travel content, and unlike next time, keep exploring and chasing those sunsets, those amazing people hanging out next to you. So everybody, you should go to Goa definitely, and you should spend
Not
some
exactly,
good time
but
there,
trying to be.
so that you can get that vibe inside your soul, which will give you so much of happiness. With a scenic shot at the beach and the sunset time, I will take your leave. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you everyone.